Sneezing is more than an inconvenience, it's a vital physiological response. When your nose detects irritants, signals activate your brain. The diaphragm contracts, forcing air out at incredible speeds to clear nasal passages. Closing your eyes is a protective measure against potential threats. Every sneeze shows your body's vigilance against microscopic dangers. A sneeze can reach astonishing speeds up to 160 km per hour. Next time you sneeze, appreciate this extraordinary reflex protecting you from unseen threats. Your health matters, and sneezing is one way your body defends you.